The properties of a rectangle are, first of all, a rectangle is a quadrilateral, therefore its four interior angles add up to 360 degrees. In this case though, because it is a rectangle, the four interior angles all have to be exactly 90 degrees. Of course, the four 90-degree angles will add up to 360 degrees. These two opposite sides have to be congruent and parallel. And these other two opposite sides have to be congruent and parallel. The diagonals of the rectangle, which I will draw now, are not perpendicular, but they are congruent and they intersect at the midpoints. So this is a midpoint. Diagonals are not perpendicular, but they are congruent and intersect at their midpoints. I'll move this so that you can see it. This lists all the properties. Looking at this other rectangle, let's take a look at these properties. The four interior angles have to each be 90 degrees and of course add up to 360. It has two sets of congruent parallel sides. The diagonals are not perpendicular, but they are congruent and they have to intersect at their midpoints. Oops, that's a bad line. So this is a midpoint. These two diagonals are congruent, they are not perpendicular. These are the properties of a rectangle.